In this video, we will cover installing VCOM Virtual Matrix, VCOM System Administration, and VCOM Device Interface, all of which can be downloaded from the Intracom Systems website. Let's start with VCOM Virtual Matrix. VCOM Virtual Matrix acts as VCOM server. It should only be installed on the system you are using as a server for VCOM. After downloading, right-click the zip file and click Extract. Open the extracted folder and double-click the installer. If you see a Windows pop-up like the one shown here, click the More Info button and then click Run Anyway. Click I agree to the license agreement, then click Next. When prompted to install VCOM Virtual Matrix as a service, click Yes. After the installation, your browser will launch and will most likely display a warning message like the one shown here. This is because your computer does not trust the SSL certificate that comes installed with VCOM. To continue past this warning, click the Advanced button and then click Proceed. When prompted to change the administrator password, enter a new password in the field and then click Submit. Next, press OK. This concludes the VCOM Virtual Matrix installation. Next, we will install the VCOM System Administration app, which is recommended but not required. After downloading VCOM System Administration from the Intracom Systems website, right-click on the zip file and press Extract. Open the extracted folder and double-click the installer. If you see a Windows pop-up like the one shown here, click the More Info button and then click Run Anyway. In the Virtual Matrix hostname field, enter the IP address or domain name of your server. In this case, we will enter localhost. Enter the login credentials that you created earlier and click the Login button. From the System Maintenance tab, select License. Here you will find your unique system ID. Provide your system ID to your Intracom representative to receive your license file. Lastly, we will install VCOM Device Interface. The VCOM Device Interface is used to connect Dante and 4-wire interfaces to VCOM. The installation can be skipped if you do not plan to connect Dante or 4-wire interfaces. After downloading VCOM Device Interface from the Intracom Systems website, right-click the zip file and click Extract. Open the extracted folder and double-click the installer. If you see a Windows pop-up like the one shown here, click the More Info button and then click Run Anyway. Click I agree to the license agreement, then click Install. When prompted to start the VCOM Device Interface, click Yes. Enter the IP address or domain name of your VCOM Virtual Matrix, then click Apply. This concludes the VCOM installation process. In our following videos, we will cover licensing, configuration, and more.